everyone, welcome back to 99 Bitcoins. In this video, I want to talk about the bull market. And right now we are seeing over 50% of the indicators that we would look for, talking about over half of the bull market top indicators coming out. We'll look at some of that data, get you guys going, and we'll talk about the indicators that do think that we are in the bull market peak indicators as people are maybe looking to sell at the top, or if we do think that we are going to start going here. We're going to be talking about what we're looking at in the market, and we'll talk about this right now here in this video. So if you are new to the channel, hit that like button, please subscribe down below, and let's talk some crypto. All right. First and foremost, I do want to start this off by looking at what we're doing here on the day. We'll get into the top 100 here in the crypto world. And right now, guys, it's kind of a mixed bag. There are a lot of cryptos in the top 100 in the green, a lot that are in the red, but I do think that the conversation needs to be had that we're going to as Bitcoin trades around 114. Ethereum still is over 4,200. And let's get into this article about half of the bull market top indicators, okay? Before we do, though, I do want to share with you guys a project currently in their pre-sale. This is Pepe Node, okay? So I'm very big on Pepe, myself personally. It's not financial advice. I'm going to share with you guys a pre-sale that's ongoing. They've raised over $1.5 million, and right now you can buy in with a 0.0010788 price level, okay? And as you watch this video and you see the countdown decreasing, that's when that next price increase will take place. And it's very easy to buy into this pre-sale. If you have not done this before, you can buy with a card or with crypto, connecting a Best Wallet, Wallet Connect, MetaMask, and or a Base wallet. If you don't have a Best Wallet, it's a very seamless, decentralized wallet that you can connect to and buy into all of these pre-sales and all of your favorite cryptos very easily. There will be a link down below in the description. If you want to download from the iOS or the Google Play Store, you can get yourself a Best Wallet. But this is Pepe Node. This is a mine to earn meme coin, okay? So a spin-off of the Pepe narrative. Check it out. Do your research, due diligence. I treat these like lottery tickets. I buy into these pre-sales. Some of them do well, some of them don't, okay? But basically, if you do want to get into Pepe Node, the link will be down below in the description. A couple things that they do have is that in the coin insult audit, and also they do have a white paper that you can have all of your frequently asked questions answered. Also, I do recommend following them on X if you choose to get into this. That way you can have updates on when they go live, when the pre-sale will be ending, and also when we will have the TGE event as well, okay? So Pepe Node, currently ongoing. That is a look into it. If you want to get involved, the link is down below, okay? But as we get into the market, and this is where we look at the half of the bull market top indicators, okay? So as we talk about September 29th, 18 of the 30 indicators that we do use on CoinGlass's bull market peak signals dashboard have made a 50% progress towards their sell trigger, while 6 are already over 80% of their way there. Now, the ones that are there, the altcoin season index, the Bitcoin dominance, the Bitcoin long-term holder supply, Bitcoin short-term holder supply percentage, and the Bitcoin reserve risk, and Bitcoin net unrealized profit loss, okay? So those are some of the bull market peak indicators from CoinGlass. That none of these signals have hit 100% that would indicate a sell signal. However, over half, past that halfway point, they could hit that critical level all at once potentially. That would trigger a new wave of FUD, as we would be in a prime altcoin bull run season, okay? So leave a comment down below. Do you think we are in a bull market, or do you think that we are just setting the table for a nice Q4, Q1 of 2026? The one thing that also we want to talk about is that on a research report from Glassnode, we have showed signs of exhaustion following a brief rally after the September Federal Reserve meeting, adding that the short-term holder cost basis at 111,000 for Bitcoin is the key level to hold or risk deeper cooling, okay? And we've seen that fluctuate a little bit, right? We did go down to 110, 109, and also now as we've reclaimed 114, we're kind of in that 110 to 115 zone where we're just kind of up, down, and Bitcoin's still trying to figure out if it's going to be bullish or bearish, okay? So I do think this is something where you have to kind of ask yourself, can Bitcoin break new all-time highs this year? And one thing about that is, as dominance has reached nearly 89% of a cycle top threshold, this is kind of where if we do hit the cycle top for Bitcoin's dominance, what happens to the altcoins? That will be normally what does trigger the altcoin season. We have looked at the Bitcoin bull run index sitting at 75 of a potential 90 as we do look at that top signal, saying that we may be 83% complete if we do want to say the bull run for Bitcoin is over. And obviously that would trigger a move and a repositioning into altcoins. And you know, obviously that would have a cascade effect with meme coins as well. So kind of what we're looking at. I think that if you think Bitcoin did top out at 124, that August high, that's kind of the question we have to ask ourselves. But a lot of people are calling for Bitcoin to see 150. I even heard some analysts talking about 250,000 for Bitcoin. But if we look in Bitcoin right now and saying that we are 13% away from the peak, we may potentially not see a new all-time high until the time period of next year does take place. So that's kind of what I wanted to share with you guys. But right now, as we look at these 6 indicators, over 50% towards the top signals. Okay, so if you are trying to sell at the top, these are 6 that we are getting over 50% and alluding to the conversation that we may see the top of the bull run, and that would cause the reshuffling back into alts and memes a little bit sooner than I probably predicted. But that's kind of what I wanted to share with you guys here in this video. So like I said, leave a comment down below. What do you think about this? Are we 13% away from the bull market top, or do you think we haven't even started yet? I want to know your thoughts down below. Thank you all for tuning in. Also, if you want to sign up with Best Wallet and or buy into the Pepe node presale, you can find those links down below in the description. I thank you once more, and we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.